RadarOnline.com has learned that Bryson Bryant, the son of Real Housewives of Atlanta star NeNe, was arrested earlier this month after police allegedly discovered drugs on him. Bryson was detained on July 3 for felony possession of fentanyl, a Schedule II controlled substance, according to court records that RadarOnline.com was able to obtain. Prosecutors claimed in a criminal arrest warrant that the crime took place at a residence in Lawrenceville, Georgia, around 1 in the morning. Bryson received a misdemeanor loitering prowling charge, in addition to the drug charge. According to the police affidavit, Bryson was at the mentioned address, eluding police and falsely claiming he knew the residents. In response to a question about his name, Bryson identified himself to the police as Brent Leakes, the younger brother that NeNe had with her late husband Greg. Brent's name appears on the first few documents submitted in the criminal case as a result. There is no father shared by Brent and Bryson. Bryson was reportedly taken into custody at around 2:36 a.m., according to jail records. A $5,900 bond was set for him. He is listed as Brent on the booking sheet. At 12:20, he was allowed to leave. Bryson provided police with the address of a house that NeNe had long since sold when he was being booked. The legal matter is still pending. Prosecutors added a charge of giving a false name, address, or birthdate to a law enforcement officer in recently filed documents. The defendant was identified in the amended filing as Bryson Rashard Bryant, who was born on December 26, 1989. In a different circumstance, Bryson was charged with violating his probation. Later this month, he is expected to make an appearance in court. NeNe has long struggled with internal conflict. Brent experienced a heart attack and a stroke in the past, in the year 2022. He spent months there after being taken to the hospital in a hurry. NeNe discussed the health concern at the time. NeNe informed the audience that Brent suffered from congestive heart failure and a stroke. He's too young to experience that. The reality star explained that typically, doctors think that drugs or an infection like HIV are to blame for the symptoms. She denied that her son drank or used drugs, though she claimed that every test he had revealed no signs of infection. She claimed that Brent's medical professionals were thinking that perhaps he caught COVID, and he didn't know he had COVID. She described the incident as very scary at the time. She remembered, "I don't even want to go into details of what happened or how I found out or what condition he was in." NeNe posted videos of her son learning to walk in the hospital throughout Brent's recovery. NeNe reported that he was acting normally in November 2022. After Greg, NeNe's husband, lost his battle with cancer and passed away at age 66, there was a health scare a few months